See children, now we are going to see what are nets. What are nets? See, opened up shapes are called nets. Opened up shapes are called nets. See, for example, if you take the envelope, you have seen the envelope, no? In the olden days, we used to write letter using this envelope. If you open this envelope, you will get this shape, okay? If you fold it again and if you paste, again it becomes an envelope. So these are called, the opened up shape are called envelope. See this box also. See this cube. If you open this cube, you will get like this net, okay children. See, if you open this cylinder, you will get a rectangle like this, okay. So these are called as nets. See children, now we are going to see exercise 9.3. Exercise 9.3. These sums are related to the nets. First one, which of the following can be the net of a cube? See the four options. See the first option, this is the correct net used to form a cube. See, this is the down part, these are the sides, these two sides, and this is the opposite side, and this will be the topmost part, and this will be this side. So this is the correct option for making a cube, okay. See, all other sides from these you cannot make a cube. See the second one, which of the following can be the net of a cylinder? See children, here you have seen, no, cylinder, how if you open the cylinder you will get the like a rectangle, no. See here, where is the rectangle shape? This only form the rectangle shape, and this is the top circle and down circle. So this is the correct answer to make a cylinder, okay. Third one, which of the following nets can be made into a cuboid? Which of the following nets can be made into a cuboid? See, this is the correct option, because see, this is the side one, this are the both the sides, and this is the like this side part, and this is the top part. So this is the correct net used to make a cuboid, okay children. Have you understood? Now we are going to see about tangrams. Tangrams. See, what is a tangram? A tangram is an ancient Chinese game. Okay, a tangram is an ancient Chinese game that is popular throughout the world. It is a puzzle consisting of 7 flat shapes. What are the 7 flat shapes? See, 5 triangles, a square, and a parallelogram. See how they are making a 7 tangrams. See, take a square shape paper. You also can try this children. Take a square size paper and cut it into 2 triangles, okay. You can fold like this and you can make it as 2 triangles, and take this part, okay. Take this part and again fold it and make it as tan 1 and tan 2. So 2 triangles you have got. Now take the another triangle and see, fold it like this, okay. You have to fold it like this and make the third triangle. So you got 3 triangles. Now take the another part of this, okay. Take the another part of this and fold it like this, okay. If you fold it like this, you will get these like this 2 parts, okay. If you cut at the center, you will get 2 parts like this, okay. So take this part, and if you fold like this, you will get another triangle and a square, okay. Now you got 4 triangles and a square, and that another part will be no children. Take that part and see, if you cut like this, okay. If you cut like this, you will get another triangle and a parallelogram, okay. So we have got 7 tans, okay. The shapes are also called as tans. Now you got 7 tans. How to play this game means, you should not overlap, okay. See here children, you can make like this bird shape, or like these some animal shape and all, but you should not overlap, or there should not be any gaps. See, if you see these shapes, there are no gaps in between, and there are no overlapping also, okay. Not one above the another, okay. That is called as overlapping. So there are no overlapping or gaps. So like this you can make many figures from these 7 tans, okay children. Tans means 5 triangles, a square, and a parallelogram. These shapes you have to make, and you can play like this games, okay children. Now we are going to see exercise 8.4, symmetry. Symmetry refers to, see, the term symmetry refers to exact match in size and shape between 2 halves, parts, or anything, okay. Symmetry refers to exact match. See, draw line of symmetry. See, if you take this picture, if we draw the line of symmetry, see, this both halves should match each other, symmetrical. See the B sum. If you divide the shape this type of this type, it doesn't match. Okay, if you separate this like this means here you have one circle, but here you don't have. If you separate like this also, here you have 3 circles, here you have only 2. So it doesn't match each other. So it is said to be asymmetrical. It is said to be asymmetrical. Next, moving on to E sum. See the E sum. If you divide the shape like this, both the sides will match. So this shape also said to be symmetrical shape. Now moving on to Roman number 3. Draw line of symmetry to divide these shapes into symmetrical. Awesome. Now we have to draw the line of symmetry. See the B sum. How you can draw line of symmetry? Vertically only you can draw. You cannot draw horizontally. So vertically only you can draw. See the E sum. Here you can draw horizontally and go vertically also. So and crossly also you can draw. See, if you cut like this also it divides the shape equally. If you cut like this also it divides equally. So for some shapes you can draw more than 1 or 2 lines of symmetry. See the F sum, you can draw only 1 line of symmetry here. See the G sum. For this also you can draw only 1 line of symmetry. See the I sum. Here also you can draw only 1 line of symmetry. See the Roman number 4 C sum. This also the same as this only. So how you can draw the line of symmetry? You can draw like this or you can draw like this also. So 2 lines of symmetry you can draw. See this sum you can draw like this or like